So this is a sound test of my Keychron Q1 on a FR4 plate using the Everglide Aquakings V3 switches. So if you're watching my channel, I already showed you a video of the similar setup. However, those switches are stock form, and these ones I lubed them very lightly with the Krytox 205 grade 0, and I felt that there was no need to lube the spring, so I didn't do that. I skipped that part. I just lubed the railings, the stem, and yeah, basically that's it, the bottom housing. Should you lube them? Are the stock form, which is factory lube, not good enough? The quick answer is the stock form is good enough. Okay. However, there's only a slight problem that some of the switches are over lubed. So maybe in a batch of 10, there would be 3 or 4 switches, or maybe 2 or 3 switches that would come over lubed. And a lot of them are, the first time I opened it up, I thought it was really dry. But then some of the comments I heard online is that they are over lubed as toot. Okay. So and then true enough, when I opened all of the switches, some really come over lube. So I think the purpose of relubing would be to give it a more even lubing, and to make it more consistent. So, but if you don't have the time for it, I think it's really good even in the stock form. So here's a sound test. The fault of the Q1, I think there's still an interference. Yep. So you have to put a little bit of a bumper paper here. I'm not gonna do it later. So sometimes there's an interference with the keycaps. So a common issue with the stock Q1. But yeah, overall, that's the